Dear sirs and madams, my name is Sunny and today I am really excited to be here to tell you about the project Happy Bridge, which accomplishes the mission of bringing solutions to overcome the disadvantages and pains of online and offline dating, following three core values: synchronization, verification, and efficiency. So why do we choose this startup? The market size of dating services in the world, with an estimated market share of about $5.67 billion and 700 million users in 2020. And we can see that this is a very potential market. So now, let's talk about some problems of current online and offline dating platforms. Firstly, many online dating apps have been introduced in Vietnam, but they have a lot of downsides such as unsafe and unsuitable for Vietnamese. And the second one, offline dating also requires a long time and huge capacity to handle data and match the couple together, which is not really effective and convenient. So that is the reason why we are here to come up with the solutions for the problems, which is to build the fastest trusted dating platform with synchronized activity chains from online to offline with the assurance of matching rates and efficiency. So what makes us different from other dating platforms? Firstly, Happy Bridge is an initial project that integrates a series of online and offline dating activities, such as using application, joining Happy Date, Happy Tour, and Happy Community. Secondly, Happy Bridge pioneered in building a five-step user authentication system. Thirdly, this is the first application you use zodiac and horoscope to consider matching rate between couples. The fourth one, we decide to build Happy Bridge coffee chains in the near future, promising to bring up the effective and romantic dating spaces for couples. The next difference is that we have Happy Tour program, which help bring the most authentic and memorable travel experience for couples. And last but not least, we provide Happy Community, in which we are always ready to accompany with users throughout their process of seeking true love. So now let's talk about the marketing channel. Currently, we are running the marketing plans on almost of online channels such as Facebook, website, Zalo, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, newspaper, radio, and television. However, the two main channels are still Facebook and YouTube. And now, let's talk about our revenue. So the question is how can we get money from the project? Well, in-app purchases, YouTube advertisement, TV program, and payments for services such as Happy Date, Happy Tour, and Happy Community will be our main revenues. Besides, there are also profits from advertisement of the third parties on our platform. And now, let's talk about the income and revenues of the project. Well, being optimistic, we expect the revenue at the end of 2020 to be $50,000 per month, and the income is about $25,000 per month. For long-term progress with the completion of the project as well as the human resources, and being optimistic, we expect the revenue to be $500,000 per month, and the income is about $250,000 per month by the end of 2023. And now, let's move to the most important part of the presentation today. Well, with the project valuation, we would like to offer the good funding is about $100,000 for venture capital. It means that the profit will be discounted 15% to the investor. Besides, we also use crowdfunding to call for capital from investors who are our friends and relatives, and they are also the angel investor of the project in the very first phase. So that is the end of our presentation today. Thank you to all the investors and organizations for listening. Thank you.